Hi, one of my favorite things, using something that you think is garbage that's going to give your garden so many nutrients. So I just picked a harvest of rhubarb, and of course I can't use the leaves. So what do I do with them? I'll tell you what I do with them. I take this, I've got this hosta garden right here, and I take these rhubarb leaves and I just tuck them right underneath these hosta plants. Tuck them right under. And then that way, not only are they going to decompose and give nutrients to the garden, but they're going to keep weeds under control so that this hosta bed can always look beautiful. One of my favorite things, using what you have.